Introducing the Crafty Flower Lilac Layering Die Set. We'll flip this over and we're going to have a look at the layering guide that shows us how to layer together 3 of the little flowers as well as the remaining lilac. At the bottom, you'll see the ink colors used to create the image shown. Here you're going to see there are numbers shown to layer this together as opposed to our usual shapes. There are also a few petals which you will layer the pieces together. Here you have a look at the dies that come with your set. There are 11 dies. On the front at the top you will see the colors in which you'll cut the specific pieces out of. And at the bottom you'll see an image of what you could create with this set. Here are the pieces laid out in the order they're going to go, except for those tiny purple pieces at the top, which are the flower centers. So I'm showing you here as we move through the numbers and where they will align onto the lilac stem. Here we're going to layer together piece 1. And once we've done that, I'll put a dab of glue there and we'll put that into spot 1. Over on spot 2, we'll put flower 2. Then we'll go ahead and we'll attach the flower centers. For the flower centers, I'm making sure all 4 points touch the center of the flower. I'm adding flower 3 into its spot and I'm tilting it because the number 3 was tilted. Number 4 is straight up and down, so I'll match that orientation when I put the flower into place. For number 5, the number 5 is right up and down. Put that into place in that same orientation. Then I'll put the flower center onto the bud. Tweezers are super helpful in putting the smaller pieces into place. This is piece 6 and I'm going to align that on the number 6. Put the flower center. We'll align piece 7. Put the flower center into place. Piece 8 we will align with 8. Add the flower center. Then piece 9 is going to go up behind there. First, I'm going to go ahead and layer the piece together that goes onto the flower 9. And then we'll tuck that into the 9th position behind that flower. Add the flower center. Next, we'll add flower 10. We'll align that straight up and down, just like the 10. Add the flower center. And when you're putting this together, you may want to put the buds on first and certain other numbers you may want to attach first. As you can see, it does get to be beautiful and full as this is a close-up view of the lilac. On piece 12, we're going to align 2 pieces right there on the bottom at 6 o'clock and right over at about 3 o'clock on the right-hand side there. We'll add those 2 little petals into place and then we will put the flower center in there. And then finally, we will go ahead and get it into place up at the number 12 spot up there. And finally, we just have the 3 buds. We'll begin with the one at about 11 o'clock up there. Put some glue and just attach that into place. Over there at about 10 o'clock, we'll pop that little bud into place as well. And finally, there's a bud down at about 6 o'clock that we will work on. I just wanted to show you that bud there hiding underneath. And then we have the bud here at about 6 o'clock. We're just going to tuck that underneath all of our beautiful lilac buds. And there we go. We've finished our beautiful arrangement. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Crafty Flower Lilac Layering Die Set. Here is some beautiful inspiration using this set from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Crafty Flower Lilac Layering Die Set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.